I try,
Do not worry.
but I fail.
Start with simple present tense
How do I improve?
because it is very important.
Why? Simple present tense? Important.
How is it?
Really?
We use it every day.
Daily life.
Yes,
Can you give examples?
we use it to talk about daily life.
Okay.
Yes, daily life.
Please.
Yes, I give examples.
I wake up in the morning, too.
I wake up in the morning.
I brush my teeth, also.
I brush my teeth.
I drink tea.
I drink water.
Oh, I see.
See, we use simple present tense.
You talk about what you do.
Yes, I talk about what I do.
That is simple present tense.
It looks easy.
Yes, it is easy.
Do you speak English with your family?
Sometimes I speak English with my...
My family does not speak English.
Why not?
Then how do I practice?
That is okay.
But my friends laugh.
You practice with friends.
Thank you.
You can practice with me.
Really?
Yes, you can practice with me.
You are kind.
I help you.
Listen,
We practice simple sentences.
I go to college.
Okay.
I read novels.
I go to school.
I like music.
I read books.
Yes,
I like cricket.
these are simple.
You see, these are very simple.
Okay, I try.
You try more. Say something.
I drink milk.
Good.
I eat rice.
Say more.
I walk to the market.
Very good.
I play with my sister.
Nice sentence. Excellent.
Do you think I can easily improve?
Yes,
Do you feel proud of me?
yes.
Thank you.
You can improve.
Okay, I will keep speaking.
I feel proud.
I wake up early.
Keep speaking. What do you do then?
I wash my face.
What next?
I brush my teeth.